How many of you get preventative tests done by your doctor just because you want to know? Well, I can raise my hand and say I do. Because yesterday I got an EKG and echo done just because I wanted to see how my heart worked. And it was amazing to see. An echo is like ultrasound of your heart. So you're actually seeing all the chambers of your heart, how the valves open and close, and you can hear how your heart sounds. And happy to say that my doctor said my heart is in great shape. It's very strong. So my ticker is all good. Why am I mentioning this? It's all about prevention. How many times you wait until you have symptoms before you do something about it? And even when you have symptoms, you still wait. You wait and hope, cross your fingers, cross your toes, that the pain will go away eventually. And when it doesn't, after a while, then you see someone and hope that with one session, one suggestion, or one magic pill, that pain is going to go away. I always suggest my clients, please do make maintenance appointments once a month, once every couple of months. Come to the office, 30-minute appointment. Let me check your body from bottom to top, and whatever I find, I can fix it. It would be so much easier instead of that you waking up with pain, or you've been in pain for a week or two or a month. Then you want me to take care of it in one session. Taking preventative measures would allow you to live pain-free. That way you can go on that vacation and walk maybe 5-10 miles a day, or you play catch with your kid or with your grandkid, or just hang out with your friends and not think about that you have pain, and just have fun and enjoy. Take preventative measures.